Yes, hello guys. Today we are going to talk about dilution of a solution. Bado tunaendelea tuna moles. Moles, this is the simplest topic in chemistry. Chansemeti of moles. The topic rahisi sana. So, dilution, definition of dilution is a process by which the concentration of a solution is lowered by adding more solvent into the solution. Dilution definition. Dilution is a process by which the concentration of a solution is lowered by adding more solvent into the solution. The process by which the concentration of a solution is lowered by adding more solvent into the solution. That is dilution. The definition. During dilution of a solute, the solute remains the same as the volume of the solution increases. So the solute will just remain the same as the volume of the solution increases. Then mass or moles of a solute does not change. The mass or moles of the solute does not change. Mass and moles of a solute does not change, while the volume of the solution will increase. So from that, CV is equals to constant, where C is the concentration while V is the volume. CV going to constant. CV is equals to constant. Therefore, when a solution of a given concentration is diluted, moles before dilution is just the same as moles after dilution. Moles before dilution, just the same as moles after dilution. Moles before dilution, the same as moles after dilution. So from that, concentration 1, volume 1 is just the same as concentration 2, volume 2. C1, V1, just the same as C2, V2. That is the formula, where C1 is the concentration before dilution. C1, this C1 concentration before dilution, V1 volume before dilution, C2 concentration after dilution, V2 volume after dilution. So an example, 120 centimeters cubed of 2 mole per decimeters cubed of a solution is diluted to 100 centimeters cubed. What will be the concentration of the resulting solution? 120 centimeters cubed of 2 mole per decimeters cubed of a solution is diluted to 100 centimeters cubed. What will be the concentration of the resulting solution? So wamekupea volume 1 wamekupea, then wamekupea nini? Volume 1 wamekupea 120 centimeters cubed, 120 centimeters cubed, concentration 1 wamekupea 2 molar, which is just the same as 2 moles per decimeters cubed. Then concentration 2 has not been given. Volume 2, sorry, kalamu nasumbua. Volume 2 wamepeana ni 1000 centimeters cubed. 1000 centimeters cubed. So just calculate using the formula above. C1 V1 is equals to C2 V2. Where V1 is unaweka hapo, where V2 is unaweka hapo, where C2 is unaweka hapo, then unatafuta V1. You will calculate on your own. The next question, this one you can solve on your own juu kalamu inasumbua. So commercially HCl is 35% by mass. Calculate its molarity given that at 25 degrees Celsius the density of the acid is 1.08 grams per centimeters cubed. And now calculate its molarity. So this question, I like to then in calculate. Commercial HCl is 35% by mass. 35% by mass. 35% by mass. By mass. Then wanasema calculate its molarity given that at 25 degrees Celsius the density of the acid at 25 degrees Celsius 5 degrees Celsius density wamepeana ni 1.08 grams per centimeters cube. And I will calculate the molarity at 25 degrees Celsius. Guess what? Commercial HCl is 35% by mass. Calculate its molarity given that at 25 degrees Celsius the density of the acid is 1.08 grams per centimeters cube. Acha nirudie swali juu nitata calculate apate the right answer. Unitumie the right answer on my WhatsApp number. Kuna zawadi nitakupea. I will give something. Nitatapata the correct answer. My WhatsApp number nilikuwa nimewapea but acha niandike hapa 0707 87 89 93. That is my WhatsApp number 0707 87 89 93. When you calculate that question and to me the right answer, you will get something. So let's talk about something else. Stoichiometric equation. So a stoichiometric equation is a simply well-balanced chemical equation with correct physical state symbols. That is a stoichiometric equation. So like potassium hydroxide reacting with sulfuric 6 acid, we'll get potassium sulfate. Balancing coefficient, nyuma potassium hydroxide 2, nyuma sulfuric 6 acid 1, then nyuma potassium sulfate 2. To balance, that's just a simple stoichiometric equation. So a stoichiometric equation will help you in solving some simple calculation in chemistry, like just a sample question. Wanakuambia 42 grams of magnesium carbonate was completely decomposed. Find the moles of carbon dioxide produced. So such like an equation, nafaa ukue able to write the equation. After writing the equation, balance the equation. After you have balanced the equation, then you calculate the number of moles that you have been asked to calculate. That's all for today. Let's meet in the next subtopic.